Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the updates of Odoo 18.2 and we're gonna look into the default field in exports. Let's dive into the sales module, and from here, I'm going to consider the product. So you can see that the product will be in its Kanban view. Now we just need to change into list view in order to export the item. Now let me choose one of the product from here and let's move on to the action and click on export. As you just move on to the export, here you can see the fields to export, and this would match the default fields and their display order now match underlying with the list view. But as we just consider the previous versions of Odoo, we know a few fields from this list view and the form view were taken. But right now in the Odoo 18, you can see that there are different fields such as favorite, and everything is given in correct order. Afterwards, the name, that is a product name, then internal reference. Then when you just move on to the sales price, here you can find the field. Then afterwards, sales tax. Then the quantity is set to the on-hand quantity. Later on, you can find the forecasted quantity. Then you can also find the unit, that is the unit of measurement. And later on, you can find the activity, exception, declaration, that is this field. So everything will be matching with the default key of the list view. So that is the other change that you can find in the default fields of the Odoo exports. Okay. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.